Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. Today I'm going to share with you the best deals I grabbed over at Walgreens for the week. I thought it was going to be a slower week at Walgreens, but I ended up pleasantly surprised. I was able to get all of this completely free, and it was like less than $1 moneymaker. So basically I got all of it completely free. So of course I'm going to walk you through step by step exactly how I did that. I also saw a bunch of stuff on clearance, especially on the candy aisle. So I took pictures of all of that for you, and I will include those pictures at the end of this video, as well as share a few things that I grabbed for myself. Before I get into the details, if you are not already subscribed to the channel, I would love it if you subscribed. If you enjoy my content, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. That would be super awesome. Also, one thing to look forward to this week, I will be doing another Walmart Wednesday challenge with Gina. And if you have not checked out her channel, you definitely want to. She doesn't shop Walmart, but she's gonna shop Albertsons, and so we're gonna see who can get the best grocery deals for the week. So mine will come out on Wednesday, hers should be out on Thursday, so definitely check out her channel if you have not already. Okay, let's talk about the deals. So I'm going to show you the deals that I did. I'm going to show you how I chose to use the spend 25, get 5 booster coupon, and then I'll share with you the clearance deals. Okay, so the first one I'm going to tell you about is this L'Oreal mascara. This is burgundy is what the color says it is, so I'm kind of curious to see what that's going to look like. $7.99 is the total cost, but I had a $4 digital coupon that I used for this. I did this as a curbside deal, so the $3 off 2 Walgreens digital coupon actually took $1.50 off of this. So even though I only had one in my cart, that $3 off 2 auto adjusted down to $1.50 off 1. So I paid $2.49, but on my Fetch Rewards app, I got $2 back, making this mascara just 49 cents. Now, Fetch Rewards has some awesome deals. They actually had some new ones pop up this morning. So if you're not already using Fetch, grab it using my referral code. You will get additional points back when you scan your first receipt. And it's a totally simple app to use. I have a complete tutorial on how to use the Fetch Rewards app. If you have questions about how to use it as well, I'll throw that up here on the screen as well. So another deal that anyone can do is on the Colgate toothpaste. These are priced at $3.99 each. And when you buy 2, you will get a $5 register reward. So 2 at $3.99 is $7.98. I had a $3 off 2 digital coupon. So I paid $4.98 and I got a $5 register reward back, making them both free and a 2-cent moneymaker. Now I also grabbed these Tresemme hair care products. These are the 28 ounce. They are priced at $2.79. I had a digital coupon for $4 off 2. So I bought a shampoo and conditioner, $2.79 each. So that's a total of $5.58. The $4 off 2 coupon came off, so I paid $1.58 for both, or just 79 cents each. So that's a great deal on these. This is also a great deal to throw in with a spend 25, get 5 booster deal. I did not include that in mine, but you could if you are interested. Another great one to include in a booster scenario is this Our Life. So this rebate is still available. At least for me it was yesterday. Hopefully it's still available for the rest of the week. These are priced at $9.99. Now the Walgreens IBC booklet or online digital coupon, there is one for $4 off. So if you don't see it in your Walgreens app, look at that booklet that they have at the store, because it is in there for this month. So $9.99 minus the $4 Walgreens coupon, you would pay $5.99, but Shopkick is giving 1,500 kicks back which is equivalent to $6. So that makes this item completely free. Now, if you are new to Shopkick, I also have a complete tutorial on that app as well. If you use my referral code, you will get an additional 250 kicks back when you scan your first receipt. Okay, another deal that I have done before, I went ahead and did it one more time. These are priced at $10.79. These Splenda drinks, they are regularly priced at $10.79. I ended up getting one of those 20% off coupons when you spend $10 yesterday. And so I took that coupon and I went and I grabbed this. So $10.79 minus the 20% off, that took off $2.16. Now, I also had the $5 coupon from the March 7th Smart Source. So I paid $3.63 for this 6-pack of Splenda shakes, and I got back $3 on Ibotta, making this 6-pack just 63 cents. Now, Fetch Rewards had a $2 offer back, but I had used it. So definitely check Fetch and see if you have that $2 back on Fetch. Mine was gone, but if you had that, it would make it a moneymaker. Another awesome deal anyone can do is on these Crest toothpaste. There's a number of different products that qualify for the buy 3, get a $5 register reward, but I went with these smaller Crest. They are priced at $2.49 each. So I bought 3 of them. That means I paid $7.47 for all 3, but I had a $3 digital coupon. So I paid $4.47 at the register and I got a $5 register reward, making all 3 of them free and a 53-cent moneymaker. Okay, another super awesome deal. I had posted something over on Instagram and a man responded and said, hey, did you happen to go through Ibotta to get your Sofa Surfer bonus? Did that work? And it was a great idea. And the bonus is gone now, but it was a bonus for when you do an online offer. Mine was $5 back when you redeem 1 offer. So I thought, well, shoot, I'm gonna give it a try. So I bought the cheapest thing I could think of buying. I bought 3 packs of ramen for $1, okay? I went through the Ibotta app to purchase that off of the Walgreens website. Okay, once I picked those up, I just did a curbside order. Once I picked those up, the Ibotta app did give me credit for that Sofa Surfer bonus for doing an online deal. So I got $5 back, but I had only paid $1, so that made that a $4 moneymaker. So thank you to the Instagram comment that asked me if I had tried that. I hadn't, but I went ahead and tried it. I figured for $1 it was worth giving it a shot, and it did work. Now, why am I telling you this when that bonus is gone? Well, because a bonus for an online offer may come back, and this way we know that the curbside deals with Walgreens did count towards that bonus. So if you ever see an online bonus again, hopefully those Walgreens curbside deals will continue to be included in that bonus. All right, what else do I want to tell you about? Oh, Father's Day cards. So these little cards right here are $1 each. So $2 for 2 of them. And there is a digital coupon for $2 off 2. So I put 2 in my cart and that digital for $2 off 2 came off. So I paid nothing for 2 Father's Day cards. So awesome, awesome deal. Okay, let's talk about how I chose to do my spend 25, get 5. Okay, that booster coupon is something that you can use a number of different ways. It's spend 25, get 5, spend 40, get 10, and I think it's spend 100, get 30. That was just way too much for me. So I did the spend 25, get 5. Now, I grabbed these 2 L'Oreal eye makeup removers. They are buy one, get one half off. So I bought one at $7.79. The second one rang up half off for $3.89. Now I had a $6 digital coupon as well as a $3 off to Walgreens coupon. So I paid $268 total for both of these. The other item I grabbed as part of the spend 25, get 5 were these 3 Secret Essential Oil deodorants. They are priced at $7.99 each. Holy cow, $8 for a deodorant. So that's $23.97. Okay, I had an $8 digital coupon, so I paid $15.97 for these. I got back a $5 register reward for buying 3, as well as $9 on Ibotta. I got back $3 for each of them on Ibotta, making all 3 of these just $1.97. However, when I put that together with the spend 25, get 5, I paid a total of $18.65 for all 5 of those products. I did pay that out of pocket. I did not use Walgreens cash. I would not be able to use Walgreens cash on that deal and still get the Walgreens cash back. So I paid $18.65 out of pocket. I got back the $5 in Walgreens cash for spending $25. I got back the $5 register reward for buying 3 of those products. And then I got back $9 on Ibotta for buying the 3 deodorants. So while I paid $18.65, I actually ended up getting $19 back, making it free and a 35-cent moneymaker. Now, I chose to do that as a curbside deal because I could go through Rakuten, and going through Rakuten gives me additional cash back. Now, this is super, super cool. If you are new to Rakuten, they're running a promotion right now for when you spend $40, you will get $40 cash back, but you have to use a referral link. So I am including my referral link down in the video description box below, as well as on the printable Google document. So if you are new to Rakuten, you go through that link, you spend at least $40 when you shop, you will get $40 back. So super awesome offer. And there are tons of stores that you can do that with, not just Walgreens. So take some time and play around on the Rakuten website if you want to do this spend 40, get $40 back. Super awesome deal. All right, clearance. I think we're at the clearance stage. So let's talk about it. These tiny little Altoid tins, they're super, super cute. 18 cents each. The Starburst Duos, these were 45 cents each. I got this huge pack of Reese's and Kit Kats for $1.29, so all 90% off. I didn't buy a ton of candy, but I will include pictures at the end of the video that shows you all the different stuff that I saw. And then this was kind of my favorite deal because these Icebreaker Duos, the orange kind, they were marked on clearance for 30 cents at my store. But there is a Walgreens digital coupon for $1 off too. And so that ended up taking 50 cents off of each of these, or taking them down to completely free. So I got 3 of these completely free at the store. So that was an awesome deal. Okay, that was everything. The apps that I used were Fetch Rewards, I used Shopkick, and I used Ibotta. Now, there is another app that I then submit my receipts to, which is the pggoodeveryday.com. I have a link for that as well. If you sign up with them, completely free, you scan your receipts for any of the Procter & Gamble products that you purchase. You end up getting points, and then you can turn those points into gift cards. So like the Crest is a Procter & Gamble product, the Secret deodorant is a Procter & Gamble product. So when I submit my receipt to that website, I will get, I believe it's 50 points per item up to a max. And then I can take those points and redeem them for gift cards to places like Starbucks, Domino's Pizza, that kind of thing. So it ends up being just an additional perk for buying things that I'm already getting at a super awesome price anyway. So check out that if you have not already. If you have questions about any of this, please let me know down in the comments below. I hope you all are having a great start to your week. If you aren't already following me on Instagram, you can find me at Save with Christina, as well as on my Facebook page at Saving with Christina. Thanks.